डीप से ही जा रहा हूँ. So few things about Kindle publishing. Anyone and everyone can have Kindle via free reading app. ठीक है. पाकिस्तान में अगर आप अभी बैठे हुए हो और अगर आप एंड्रॉइड पे जाके लिखते हो किंडल तो प्रोबेबली आप लोग के पास वो फ्री ऐप ना नजर आए. लेकिन अगर जैसे मेरे पास आईफोन था एंड यूएस आईडी उसके के थ्रू मैं रजिस्टर्ड था तो मेरे पास किंडल ऐप आती थी एंड आई हैड इट ऑन माय आईफोन. तो उसके थ्रू जो है ना मैं ई बुक्स वगैरह डाउनलोड करता था और खरीदता था. एंड also, just so that you guys know, this is not for the past 9 months, but last year मुझे पता है कि Kindle ने जो है around I think if I'm not wrong, Kindle Fire. Do you guys know what Kindle Fire is? So basically, Kindle Fire is um, a tablet, just like a Samsung tablet, right? And I'm sure a lot of you guys do not know about that. It's Fire Tab, ठीक है? And उसकी 5 million copies से ज़्यादा बिकी है in just 9 months, which means that more and more people will come into Kindle and have a read of their library. Okay, more than 10% Americans read Kindle books and it's growing rapidly. In fact, I think that number is around 13 to 14% now by now. Okay, now there are two types of publishing or publishers, right? There have been, मैं तुम लोग को थोड़ा सा background दे रहा हूँ over not, I won't go into depth with the revolution of publishing, but just so that you guys know, traditionally publishing hoti thi where you write a book, submit to publishers, then you used to hope ke bhai it gets accepted, theek hai, get sent a contract, publishers get your book ready for market, edited, formatted and designed. This is how it used to be. So yeah, but now with Kindle publishing, it everything is being done on a whole new level. Write a book and if you have to do everything by yourself or you have to automate the process. So yeah, start publishing process, have your book formatted, edited and designed, choose where to self-publish. Now this is when you talk about self-publish, you have Kindle and you have other platforms as well. I won't be talking about other platforms. I will just be talking about Kindle. ठीक है, market your book. ठीक है, as easy as that. तो बहुत सारी वो जो हैसल वाली आपकी पूरा फनल था जहां पे यू यूज्ड टू वेट के यार मेरी जो है बुक अप्रूव हो जाए, उसके बाद जो है ना पब्लिशर जो है ना आपको कॉन्ट्रैक्ट भेजता था, उसके बाद वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन करने के बाद फिर उसके ऊपर एडिटिंग, फॉर्मेटिंग, डिजाइनिंग वगैरह सब कुछ होती थी. तो वो सारी बीएस अब नहीं होगी. यू आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल for getting your ebook ready, formatted, edited, designed, and then you just have to go and publish it. सही है.